In baking, it is very precise, very accurate. There's a very set procedure for the way you need to do things. It connects me to my family. It's something that we enjoy doing together. It's just fun. And it translates to engineering in a lot of ways. I love to bring all my baked goods into the office. They can't resist. I am an engineer at Chesterfield Power Station. As the resident electrical engineer, I support day-to-day operations of the plant, keeping this place reliable, efficient, and affordable for our customers. My day looks different every single day I come here, which is what I enjoy. I love my job. We use electricity for everything. I hope that my role plays some small part in keeping their lights on without them ever having to think about it.